and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a shark. Hi! Okay, first I'm going to show you what it is I'm going to make. Look, this is the shark I drew out, and I'm gonna try to make it on my face. So we start off with white and lining out the shark. I'm sorry, sometimes I'm just looking beside me because, well, I can't place the drawing in front of me because then I don't have a mirror and I have a camera, so I can't see the mirror if I place it in front of me. So sorry, next time I will try to make it differently. So the body I made white, and well, the outside of his body I will make gray, light gray. First I started outlining again and then I will fill it in with gray. So the eyes I will be making white, and again, as you can see, I'm checking out where the eyes are going to be. And since I already have white on my brush, I use it immediately to highlight, so I don't have to do it later. Normally I use a darker color to outline instead of black, but this design I did in black because I like it. I liked it more to do it in black. Now for the background, I sponge on a little bit of blue, light blue. And again, if you have seen my previous videos, I love making bubbles, so I will be making those again. It's an underwater theme, so I can do that. Yeah, there I go, sneezing. Well, it's the hay fever season, so I cut out all the other sneezes already, but yeah, I forgot this one. Sorry. So I love to place dots everywhere, maybe a little bit too much, but well, here we did it as well. I always ask children if they would like their shark to have eaten something so they have blood. Well, this time I did it. I put some red paint in between the teeth, so it looked like he ate a fish. So thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I was watching a comedy show or something, and I just kept laughing at this part. I'm sorry, yeah, it was really funny. I just can't explain. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye.